When you open Excel for the first time, you get this welcome page here. Now here we can create a new blank workbook. We can open our recent workbooks, or we can create workbooks from these given templates here. Excel gives us multiple templates that we can use, such as this monthly budget template here. If you want to make a monthly budget, you can create your own academic calendar, etc. But we are going to create a blank workbook, which is what we're going to work with. Now, an Excel workbook is basically this workspace here that we're going to use to enter our data. By default, Excel names our workbook as book 1, and if you have multiple workbooks, this number will increment. Then you'll have book 1, book 2, book 3, etc., etc. And that will happen if you have not renamed the workbook. So I don't want us to call our workbook book 1. I want us to call our workbook according to what we're going to put inside it. Now, looking at our project, we know that we are going to enter chocolate sales from Emily's data, where Emily will be selling chocolates, and we need to enter the data here. So to do that, we are going to go to this file here, and then we're going to choose save as. Don't choose save. If you just click on save, then the workbook will be saved as book 1 and the name will not change. So we are going to do save as, and then we're going to browse the location where we are going to save our workbook. In our case, I want us to save the workbook on our desktop. This is the desktop. You click on it and make sure that up here it says you're on the desktop, and then you're gonna go here where it says file name, click on the name, and then we are going to change the name of this workbook from book 1, and let's call it chocolate sales. Chocolate sales, and then click on save, and just like that our workbook is saved. If you see up here, it's written chocolate sale and it's written saved. And even if you go to our file here, go to the desktop, and here is my file, my chocolate sale file. So this is the workbook that we are now going to work with from here onwards. So make sure that you don't lose it.